Welcome to Next Level English. Ready to test your grammar? Today, we've got a sentence structure quiz with 35 MCQs where you'll spot and fix word order mistakes. Let's see how many you can get right. 1. Select the correction sentence. He to the store goes every day. He goes to the store every day. Tips: the subject he should precede the verb goes. 2. Select the correction sentence. I to the park walks every morning. I walk to the park every morning. Tips: the subject I must agree with the verb walk. 3. Select the correction sentence. We have breakfast usually at 7 a.m. We usually have breakfast at 7 a.m. Tips: usually comes before the main verb. Select the correction sentence. She writes beautifully poems. She writes poems beautifully. Tips: adverbs of manner follow the object. 6. Select the correction sentence. The restaurant we ate at last night. We ate at the restaurant last night. Tips: time expressions like last night are often at the end. 7. Select the correction sentence. My sister reads books in the evening always. My sister always reads books in the evening. Tips: always precedes the main verb. 8. Select the correction sentence. She worked hard always. She always worked hard. Tips: always precedes the verb worked. 9. Select the correction sentence. The dog runs in the park always. The dog always runs in the park. Tips: always follows the verb runs. 10. Select the correction sentence. I rarely watch TV on weekends. I rarely watch TV on weekends. Tips: rarely comes before the main verb in negative sentences. 11. Select the correction sentence. We have at home dinner every day. We have dinner at home every day. Tips: time expressions like every day often come last. 12. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I go always to school by bus. Tips: adverbs like always usually precede the main verb. 13. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Never I have seen such a beautiful sight. Tips: in negative sentences, never usually precedes the subject. 14. Which sentence has the wrong word order? We met yesterday him at the park. Tips: time expressions like yesterday follow the subject and verb. 15th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? She speaks never loudly in the class. Tips: never precedes the main verb in negative sentences. 16th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Always he comes home late. Tips: always precedes the main verb. 17. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Playing outside were the children in the yard. Tips: in subject-verb agreement, the subject precedes the verb. 18th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I like in the evening reading books. Tips: time expressions typically follow the subject and verb. 19. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I tomorrow will be traveling to London. Tips: time adverbs like tomorrow follow the subject or auxiliary verb. 20. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Here we have lived for 5 years. Tips: place time expressions like for 5 years after the verb or object. 21. Which sentence has the wrong word order? He before has never been to the museum. Tips: never precedes the auxiliary verb has. 22. Which sentence has the wrong word order? They every weekend play basketball. Tips: every weekend follows the subject and verb. 23rd. Which sentence has the wrong word order? He very speaks English well. Tips: adverbs modifying verbs come directly before the verb. 24th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? She after school does always her homework. Tips: adverbs like always go between the auxiliary and main verb. 25. Which sentence has the wrong word order? We next week will visit the museum. Tips: next week follows the auxiliary verb will. 26. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Just I have finished my homework. Tips: just precedes the main verb in the present perfect tense. 27. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I in the morning read books. Tips: time expressions like in the morning go at the start or end. 28th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Always studies she hard for exams. Tips: always precedes the main verb. 29th. Which sentence has the wrong word order? We last night went to the store. Tips: time expressions like last night typically go last. 30. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Never I watch horror movies. Tips: adverbs like never precede the verb. 31. Which sentence has the wrong word order? Always is he on time for meetings. Tips always comes after the subject and before the main verb. 32. Which sentence has the wrong word order? She yesterday made a delicious cake. Tips yesterday typically follows the subject and verb. 33. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I go often to the gym in the evening. Tips often is placed after the subject and before the main verb. 34. Which sentence has the wrong word order? We last summer traveled to Italy. Tips time expressions like last summer usually go last. 35. Which sentence has the wrong word order? I love on weekends watching movies. Tips time expressions like on weekends follow the subject and verb. Well done! If you spotted all the mistakes, hit like, share your score in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to Next Level English for more grammar challenges.